my god, at the dollar store. At the dollar store. Like, today couldn't get any better. Well guys, we're here at Cafe Don Juan. I don't know why I keep saying like, what was the other one?
Don Julio or something?
Don Julio or something like that. But we're here in Winter Park at this location. And we ordered a lot of food because your girl's hungry and your girl's sharing with her sister. And our teachers need to say gracias. So we're here. And we took some pictures right here in the little corner. I have an eyebrow appointment today. These are my nails. Thanks to my nail lady. I love them. I'm very swollen. I had to go get these chanclas. I'm gonna show you right now. And my baby shower is tomorrow, and I'm here with my sister. We picked it up yesterday. I'm tired. I hurt my hand, and she did me a braid because I couldn't finish my hair. And yeah. I forgot to vlog, but this is what we have so far. We have 20 tables. Pizza's here. And then the sister trio are what? We have pizza. We got some llamas for the pillows. And they are working on this. Thanks to the team. I'm trying to find Jibata, but I can't find her. He's right there. So I finally finished my diaper cake. It took me a while, but it's gonna have to do. And then I'm gonna put some cupcakes here, put the cake toppers and stuff like that. But it's gonna have to stay like that. So I reused, my cousin gave me this, my older sister gave me this, I believe. One from church gave me this, my sister gave me this. I bought this at Ross. This came in yesterday with the same woman. I mean this, and then Danny and Chelsea got me, this is like a baby onesie, and then I put it on a paper toilet. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a mess, but I have to redo the bow. So this is my dress. I have to steam it. I'm getting the steamer ready. And I had to buy one of these at CVS because I've like messed up my finger, and this bone right here goes down and it gets stuck. So, and then my feet were swollen yesterday. It was the worst. I was crying in pain yesterday, but today's baby shower day. Guys, look how cute this is. I miss my koala from home. Anyways, we're here getting our pictures. So we're walking around. That's a lot of chocolate. I would die. Look at that. That's a lot of chocolate to eat. I know, it looks scary. It looks like, hello? It's like when you tell someone.
The dinosaur looks like the one that says, "Yeah."
Oh my god. And then the bunny looks like, when you ask someone, hey, can I tell you about Jesus Christ?
Picked up the cupcakes.
And all I have to do is just stick the llamas and the little thingies. And I have to buy compression socks. Give them deciding which one's better. Decisions.
Just like that, we are picking up the food. A comer ceviche.
Listos. Una, dos, dos y medio, tres.
Cumpla su propósito en ti, es nuestra oración.
Tenemos, el donde se pone cuando se va a cambiar, no sé cómo se llama, pero el pad que se pone cuando se va a cambiar. Ropita. Oh. Como que Grampa se pasó, ¿verdad? El abuelo alcahuete. Ok.